Hi, my name is Bintu, and in this lecture of Java interviews and questions, we'll see the second important question that is asked during the interviews is that what is the meaning of this first important line while calling the program public static void main string args? See, in C and C++ and other previous languages, the main function from where the compilation begins is very small, void main, int main, okay, but in Java it is very big. Public static void main string args, right? Here I'll start from the right. What is string args? Args is an array which is of string type, right? And all the arguments that you call while invoking the program are stored in this string arrays. Whatever the command line arguments that are passed while running the console program. See, let me make it very clear. We are not talking about Java string program. We are talking about the Java console program. See. Suppose I have made a program add to num.java. This program does what? It adds the two numbers, right? Now in this program, I am not asking the user to enter the two numbers from the keyboard. I want to supply the two numbers from the command line arguments. So what I do? This is the program that I have written on the screen. You can see it. Now I'll compile this program. Java add to num.java. Now this program is compiled. And you get add to num.class file. Now while running this program, I am invoking the Java interpreter, Java add to num, and then I am writing 10 and 20. This 10 and 20 are my command line arguments, right? So what happens that this 10 and 20 along with this add to num, this main program name also, these all three are stored into the string args array, right? So in the program what I am doing that I am accessing the 10 value which is in the args array, converting into an integer. This 20 is also accessed. It is also accessed through the respective index element. See, obviously, I am accessing it through the index or the subscript of the string array, right? And thereafter, I am converting them into an integer, and then I am adding it and displaying the output. So it is clear that whatever the command line arguments are passed while running the console program are stored into this string args. What is public? See, in all the OOPS languages, all the object-oriented languages, there are three important access modifiers, access specifiers: public, private, and protected. Public means this method or variable can be accessed anywhere from outside, anywhere outside from the body of this class. Private, if any method is declared as private or any variable is declared as private, that means it cannot be accessed outside the body of the class. Its scope is within the body of the class. Protected means these methods or variables can be accessed within the class and from the class which is inheriting this class, right? So by writing public, we are declaring that this method can be called from anywhere, from any class, from anywhere, and obviously you are calling it from the command prompt, okay? Void means this method will not return anything. See, main method is at the top of the hierarchy. All the methods, all the objects are called, all are invoked from the main method. Above the main method is user. The main method returns a result to the user. It displays the result, right? It doesn't return anything to any other function above the main. Main is at the top, right? So void means this method will not return anything. Now what does this static means? Static variables are the variables which are common to all classes. They are initialized only once. But the static method are the method which can be invoked without making use of an object. That is, any method which is declared as static can be invoked without using an object itself. See, main is at the top. We can create objects and classes in main, but for the main, we don't need an object. And obviously, where can we create this object? Because main is at the top. So by writing static, we are saying that this main method can be called without making use of an object, right? So this main method can be invoked without using an object. It won't return anything, and it can be called from anywhere from the command prompt also. And the string args is for handling the command line arguments. This is my second lecture of Java interviews, right? In the third lecture, that is the next lecture, I will tell you the most important interview question that is asked. What do you mean by multi-threading in Java? Okay, so don't forget to watch that video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.